Hi, everybody. This is my son, Crew. He's going to be my assistant tonight. Can you say hello?
Hi.
We have a cool science experiment to try. So I'm going to tip my screen down a little bit so you can see my glass bowl here. We need some milk and pepper and dish soap. That's all you need to try this experiment at home, too. So I'm going to pour some milk in the bowl. Okay, now we need to shake pepper all over the top. Just regular pepper that you would use to season your food with. Keep shaking. Make sure it's all over the top there. Okay, see how it's kind of spreading all around too? Do a couple more shakes so it's all the way around the edge of every corner. Okay, there we go. All right, now our hands aren't clean right now, so we're gonna stick our fingers in, just one finger, and we'll see what happens. Let's put our finger in. You can stick it. Nothing really happens. I'm gonna try. We got some pepper on there.
We need that.
So we need that. We've been talking a lot lately about getting rid of germs and keeping our hands clean. Why do we get rid of why is it important to get rid of germs? Bless you. When you sneeze, where do you need to sneeze? Yeah, so that's what we should have done, huh? So it's really important that we're washing our hands and keeping our hands clean, especially now that it's going to be cold and flu season coming up. So we're going to put some soap on our fingers. Wait for me. I want to see what happens too, okay? Okay, now we pretend we just washed our hands. We have some soap right on our fingers, and we're going to see what happens. Let's make sure we have a good visual on the bowl. Okay, go ahead and stick your finger in. What happened?
It go to part the edge.
Why do you think it did that?
Because it did it to that
Let me
side.
try. I'm gonna pick a spot where there's still pepper. Oh, it doesn't have very many other places to go, but it is making those holes. Whoa! The pepper was kind of like the germs in there. No. The pepper in there was kind of like the germs that's all over, and the soap gets rid of the germs. So we always want to wash our hands before we eat, after we eat.
Pour some in there.
After you sneeze into your hands or touch something else. When else do you wash your hands?
Soap and water.
When? Where should you sneeze when you sneeze? Okay, you need to do that next time, please. Okay, we'll have fun trying this experiment at home. We are going to go wash our hands and practice sneezing into our elbows. See you next time.